Are we almost there yet?
Probably like another 5 minutes or something. Dumbass. Butt munch. The fun sucks.
Cut it out, butthole. Hey, Butthead. Isn't there supposed to be, like, water and cactuses?
Butt dumpling.
Bunghole!
Bung wipe.
Bunghole! 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 Butthole!
Dumbass.
Bunghole!
Dumbass.
Butthole! Gas wipe! Butt wipe!
Bung wipe. Ass munch.
Butt wipe!
Dumbass.
Bunghole!
Breaker, here comes the gaper.
Butt burglar.
Butthole!
Butt dumpling. Dumbass.
Bunghole! 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 Butthole!
Dumbass. Butt munch. Dumbass.
Ass wipe!
Dumbass.
Pee-pee for my bunghole!
Dirty butthole.
Dumbass!
Butt munch.
Ass wipe! Dillweed!
Ass munch. Butthole.
Ass wipe!
Dumbass. Let's fry something.
Yeah, check it out. Cut.
Ass wipe.
Pussy. Aqua! for my bunghole. Half much?
¿Tiene sus papeles?
¿Tiene sus papeles?
Do you have a green card?
Are you threatening me? Breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law.
I'm with immigration, and if you don't show me some proof of residency, I'm gonna have to take you in.
You can take me, but you cannot take my bunghole. For I have no bunghole. I am the great Cornholio.
Dill hole. Butthole. Dumbass. Dill hole.
Where I come from, there is no teepee. My people, we have but one bunghole.
Pecker butt.
Bunghole.
Dumbass.
Butt munch.
Butt munch.
Dumbass. Elbow.
Monkey spank.
Agua for my bunghole.
Oh yeah, and he keeps saying he needs PP for his bunghole.
Dill weed.
Pennyworth.
Butt wipe.
Bunghole. Watching the dog. Watching the dog. Watching the dog. Watching the dog.
Dill hole.
Bunghole.
Peckerwood.
What the hell's a bunghole? Will you find out what a bunghole is?
You are a bunghole. And so am I.
Hello?
Dumbass. Ass wipe.
There may be more bungholes after me.
Dumbass.
You'll get me TV. It sounds like Ozzy. Are you threatening me?
Dumbass. Butt munch. Dumbass. Dill wad.
I'll have a cheeseburger with no ketchup. And I'll also have a chicken sandwich with no tomatoes. And with extra mayonnaise. And some onion rings with no salt. And shut up.
Smart knocker.
I also want a large orange soda with no ice and shut up. Go away.
I would hate for my bunghole to get for you.
Me too.
Butt munch. Smart knocker.
fart knocker.
Dumbass. Butthole.
Bunghole.
Dumbass. Dill hole.
The bunghole. It is nothing to be ashamed of.
Ass munch.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Dumbass.
Customers suck. Check this out.
Dumbass.
Butthole. Butt wipe. Butthole.
Butt wipe.
Welcome to the world. May I help you?
You're pretty cool, Beavis. Are your shakes made with real milk and ice cream, or do you use that reconstituted shake mix stuff?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Yeah, you use the shake mix, or yeah, you use the real stuff?
Yeah.